Hi, everybody. Welcome. It is day 29 of Treasure Trovember. I'm Kelly with Collage-Lab, and we are so close to the end. I am going to start today with a couple of announcements, and I want you to pay attention before I get to the prompt. Number one is that tomorrow, the 30th, November 30th, Saturday, I am going to do the final prompt for Treasure Trovember live on Zoom. I hope that you will join me. If you can't join me, that's okay. I understand time zones, and it's a weekend and it's a holiday weekend here in the States. So I totally understand, but I would love to see your faces. Saturday, it's going to be 9 a.m. Central Standard Time in the U.S., same as Chicago time, 9 a.m. So those of you that are watching this right, at 1 a.m. My time, I'm not getting up at 1 a.m. to do the Trovember prompt. I will be sound asleep. But 9 a.m. my time, Chicago time, there is a Zoom link right down in the description. Join me live on Zoom for the final prompt of Trovember, and I will also be doing some prizes for those of you that have registered. I'll go ahead and do some final prizes tomorrow, and we will do the final prompt. That's not it. Those of you that wonder, what do we do after Trovember? I've seen your comments like, well, could we do this every month? And no, we can't do this every month because this is a lot of work for a free event. And I've got to make a living, right? So, but I do have stuff for you to do after Trovember is over. I have an amazing membership where we get together several times a month, and there are so many events in the membership where you can get to know other collage artists. You can talk about hot topics in collage art, and you can learn new skills and elevate your current skills. And what I want to do is I want to invite you into a week-long free open house where you get to experience the membership. So the open house starts Sunday, December 1st, right after Trovember, and runs through the 6th. And there's a variety of events. It's basically, I've taken all of our member content for the month of December, and I've squeezed it all into that first week. Number one, so that you can experience like what the membership is like. And number two, so that my members have a little bit of time off as we get towards the Christmas holidays and the end of the year holidays. So I would love for you to join me for the open house. It is free. There's a link to register right down below in the description, and replays for the open house will be available inside of our private Facebook group, which you should have joined already, but if not, there's a link. So the replays will be there until December 10th. There is a VIP upgrade option where you get some extra bonus sessions with me and the members throughout the week. And if you get the upgrade, you also have extended access to the replays through the end of the year. So if you're not going to be able to watch them, that's okay. These are all going to be live events on Zoom, Sunday through Friday, and come to as many as you can, but know that you can watch the replays and catch up. So that's all I wanted to tell you. Tomorrow, day 30, the prompt will be on Zoom. Link is below. You don't need to register. Just go to that Zoom link. And if you can't attend the Zoom live, because I'm just telling you about it right now, that's okay. As soon as that video is processed, I will get that uploaded on YouTube, and you can watch it right here where you watch the rest of the prompts. But if you can join me live it'll be a lot of fun, and there'll be prizes. And then the other thing is, starting Sunday, you're invited to join me in a membership open house for a week. And so register for that one. It's free. The VIP upgrade's $25, and you can use that $25 towards the price of an annual membership if you decide to join us. I would love to see all of you. I would love to see so many of you from Trovember. I've been enjoying your comments and enjoying your sharing of your work. And so I would love to see you all inside the membership, but I want you to try it out first and come see us during the open house. So today is day 29. The prompt for today is add a heart. Add a heart to your collage, and know that some of your comments this month have really touched my heart. The people that comment or email me and say, I'm doing the challenge with my sister, I'm doing the challenge with my young daughter, I'm doing the challenge with a friend that lives far away, and we both watch the prompts and then we compare. I love that. I absolutely love that. So if you are enjoying Trovember, there's no reason you can't share it. Even at this late date, the videos are going to live on here on YouTube. So tell a friend about it and grab that friend and come to our open house. So add a heart to your collage today, and I hope to see you tomorrow on Zoom. The link is down below. You don't need to register. Just show up 9 a.m. Central Time, Saturday, November 30th. And thank you so very much for being here this month.